In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install a theme from themeforest.net to WordPress. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. I'm going to buy this theme with you on camera, this Elysium theme, and I'm going to show you how you can go from buying it to installing it on WordPress. So what you need to do is first find your theme. Obviously, you probably have a theme in mind before you're watching this video. If you don't and you want to go to the Themeforest website, I will leave a link to it in the description below. You can go ahead and check out their themes. They have a lot of different themes. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this theme and we will download this. So this theme happens to be $23. What I'm going to do is add that to the cart and we can then go to the checkout. Now, for the sake of the video and for making this easy, I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google and use my Google account. So we'll do that, then click on my email and then click continue. So now I'm going to go ahead and enter in my name, my address, and we can go on to the next section, which is the payment method section. Okay, so now I've entered in my billing details. We can go ahead and pay for it. So I'm going to just use PayPal because it's easier. Okay, so now I've filled in that section. We can now go ahead and pay with PayPal. So I've clicked on PayPal. We can now click pay with PayPal. That will open up this window where I can just pay with my PayPal and my card, which is on file. So now that payment's gone through, they will send you an email with a confirmation link. You just want to go ahead and access that email and then you'll get a download link to your theme. So here's the email. Confirm your email to complete your purchase. Just go ahead and click confirm your email. And this is if you've got a new account, by the way. If you've already got an account, then it will probably already just give you access to the download. Now, once you've confirmed your email, you can go ahead and scroll down and here you can see everything that you've bought. Obviously, I've just bought this blog and magazine WordPress theme, so we can now go ahead and download it, and we're going to download the installable WordPress file only, because that's pretty much all we need, and that's going to download the zip file to this theme. Now, that's going to go into your downloads folder, so just wait for that to download. In the meantime, head over to WordPress, then you want to go ahead and hover over Appearance once you're on the dashboard, then go to Themes, and what we can do now is we can add our theme. So click Add New Theme or click this big Add New Theme button. Then from here, you can go ahead and click on Upload Theme, and then you can choose your file. So click Choose File, and then choose the zip file that you've just downloaded and click Open. Once you've done that, it should then recognize the theme. You can then click Install Now, and then don't forget to activate it. So click Activate, and then your theme will then be live. So you can see new theme activated. We can now visit our website, and here is this new theme, which we obviously need to edit. Now, if you go back to your dashboard, it might give you some notifications depending on your theme. And it says here, this theme requires the following plugin. So we're going to go ahead and do whatever's required for this theme. So I'm going to begin installing this plugin and we'll just check it and install it. Obviously, you might be installing different themes which have different requirements. Just make sure you do whatever the theme says though, so you can get the most out of your theme. Then to customize your theme, go ahead and go to Customize. And here you can change things about your site and start building out your website. And that's basically how you can install a theme from Themeforest.